Hi everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with another haul from Create and Craft again. I don't know what goes on with me, but I feel like I have like little spurts of different places where I shop, and of late I've been shopping from Create and Craft, so let's dive in and see what I've got. So we'll go with this small parcel first. It's not really been sealed very well, so just hope everything's in here. As you can see, it's Cool Katz Crafts, and the first thing we've got is the Teflon multi-purpose Teflon craft tool, which is a bone folder, but this one's a little bit different to the previous ones I've got, so I'll take it out and show you. So on this one we've got this rounded edge here, and it kind of like slopes down here as well, so I don't know if that makes a difference, but I thought I'm going to give it a go and see if it is any different from the other ones. And then you've just got like your really sturdy one here, and it's quite thin at this end as well, so hopefully you can see that. So yes, that was the first thing we've got, and apparently it's meant to be really good. And then we've got the Clever Cats Cool Tools Crafts Support Range, and this is a tape guide. So this, I'll just take it out and then I'll talk you through it. So this is basically just a piece of Perspex, and they've put in here a certain, I can't remember the dimensions of this, if it's 1/8 or 2/8 or whatever. I don't do inches very well, I'm having to get my head around all that, but basically I would put my piece of card in here like so, and then the tape, so it was put in the centre of the tape, and this lines here won't be on here. I don't know if it'll be on the actual plastic, but I'm not going to spend my time removing the film because this would be just a long video if I did things like that, but basically this will help keep that tape central. So that was that one, and I don't feel like I do struggle that much with that, but I thought, well, I might do when it's bigger. I've only done small pieces because I've only been learning how to do it. Then we've got the Bat Whisker die set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in here it says. So they're just giving you like a really nice decorative edge. And then we've got the debossed page tabs die set. So we've got an oval, we've got a square with like little angles on there. Got another oval, which these flip over by the way, so I'm guessing that's just the decorative bit, and these are just the decorative bits to go on top of them, so look out for them on my future videos because I will definitely be using these quite a lot, and I think I might like just spend an evening making a load of them up ready. Like, I really didn't think I needed any more dies in my life until I've come across this company, and it's just amazing. So we've got photograph dies, which I think is the word photograph. It says 2 dies, there must be an outer and an inner, and it is. Well, let's have a look. Right. There we are. So we seem to have one that's got some embossing or something on there, so that must be the matte, and this must be the top layer, but there is a difference in there. Just not too sure if the camera would pick that up, like the lines in there. So can't wait to see what they look like. I just thought when it said 2 dies it'd just say photograph, and then we'd have just a plain outline, like a lot of my dies are like that. Then we've got large and mini Victorian flip flaps. All different ones, well, they're all the same but different like sizes, so it'll be like nesties, but I think from what I remember, like they don't cut here. Some will, so like you'll have your mats and your layers, and some won't cut at this end so that you can fold them over. So you get 4 dies in there. I actually thought when I ordered them it was a set of 8, but no, I've got it that wrong. And then we've got the memories, which is like the same as the photographs. I'm not going to struggle getting them out because that's what that is. And then we've got the Mexican whisker die set. Get 4 in this set. and like that's the design. So you could have it going in like that, or you could have your page tabbed coming out like that. So I'm really liking these whiskers, and it's not something I would have probably picked up if I hadn't been watching Paul Ford. Go and check him out if you've not seen him or heard of him, because he's new to me, but he's been on the scene for a long time. So I've just got some paperwork there. And then the last one in this pack is Walrus Belly Band die set. Walrus. So that, did we have a walrus things? No. So you can actually get the whiskers as well with this. But I didn't. They didn't have it on there as far as I know. But at least I've got the belly band, and when they come in stock, then I will purchase them then. And I'll just open this one and see what's in here. Wow, this is more Cool Katz. This has come very quick. I only ordered this the other day because they was on the telly. So this one is the MDF Garden Insect Album Frame Kit. So it's an MDF mini album, but you've also got like a little scene that you can make that's like a little picket fence and stuff. I don't want to get it out because I don't want to lose any of the bits. And it also comes with all kinds of stuff. And we've got some more MDF things here. So we've got an MDF plain frame insert album cover. So I'm never really done it. So this is the same as this, except one of them didn't come with the insert of like the little picket fence, as far as I remember. And then we've got the Morgana cover kit. So this is one of Paul Ford's as well that he's designed. And in this kit you've got some of the tape, which I'm really pleased that I've got this size now, because I've been working on this size because they didn't actually have this size in well, on the website, basically on the Create and Craft website. So now I've got plenty to go at. I don't think I'll be running out anything soon. And then we've got Cool Katz Cuts Curved Paste Pocket Slots. Oh, it's such a mouthful, that, isn't it? And basically these are just nice curves, and they've got the stitching edging, and you can make like slots into your paper, so you can just tuck spots and stuff. So yeah, so you get 4 of those. And then we've got the straight paste pocket slots. So these are the same as these curved ones, but they're straight, so I'm not gonna bother getting them out because, like I say, they are the same. And then we've got the Clever Closures slit slot die set, and it's like this oval thing here. I don't know if you can see, so let me see if I can get it out. So basically this is the shape you're going to do, and you've got stitched ones and stuff, and then you've got mats and layers, and you've got things that you can do in your paper, and you can feed ribbon through it and stuff like that. So this is a really cool one, and you get 2 different sizes, and that's why you've got this dark blue and then this turquoisey blue. So there's plenty to go out in there. And then I've got more of the tape, and I've got, oops, some magnets here. I think these was the 30 pack, I think that might have been. And then I'm guessing these are what came with the kits as such. Let's have a look. Oh no, these are your little resin pieces. So in that kit you got like a little resin piece of a watering can, little tiny little plant pots, and then a larger plant pot, and these are the magnets that come for that particular kit. This kit came with papers and stuff, which I will show you in a sec because they're in here too. This was the papers that came with that mini album with the hidden box thing with the picket fence and stuff. So you don't get the full graphic 45 12x12. It said you get 10 sheets of it, and it's called Grow With Love, this kit, these papers. So I'm presuming we've got the full 8x8 because they never said anything different about that. They also give you quite a few sheets of the black paper too. And I'll show you the 10 sheets it came with, but I'm not going to open that and go through all that, because unless you want to see it, just let me know and I'll do a video. So we've got your journaling tag postcardy things here. So we've got, I thought we had two, we haven't got two, but two different styles. And then that's yellow on that side. And then we've got this yellow stripe, and then just a mockledy yellow. And then we've got yellow daffodils, and just that mockle yellow again. And then we've got a purple, and there. So I'm guessing these are the plains. And do you know, I can't remember what they're called, plain and backgrounds or something. So I will open that part, because obviously we'll get to see what the papers are like. These are like your background ones. So we've got the purple Wellings there, and then we've got the plain pattern. Then we've got a pink one and a plain there. Another pink one with daffodils and plain there. A green stripy and a plain there. And then a green Wellington boots and that same pattern there. So that's the papers you've got there. And let's just give this a quick open and see what we've got in here. So this is the Grow with Love collection, and it's the 8x8. So we've got your postcards here, and then you've got that's on the other side, and that's just the same and the same again. And then you've got your daffodils, and then you've got this really pretty one. I really like it, because I think in the wooden bits you actually get one of these birdhouses which will fit perfectly, and the fence as well, the gate. So that's going to be cool to recreate that. So we get 3 of those. Then we get this pink one with, I'm not sure of the daisies or whatnot, I couldn't tell you. And then we've got a nice busy garden there with the plant pots and the watering cans and stuff. That's a nice one. Then we've got this lovely yellow one. And on the back we've got more cutter parts and journaling tags we can use. Then we've got this pink one here. And then we've got the lovely daffodils that side. And then the green one with lots of little journaling cards. And then purple background, and then got lots of like ribbon type things. I can't think of the word, I'm sorry. And then the last one is our green daisies again, not daisies, daffodils, and then we've got this at the front. So that's this haul, guys. I hope you liked it, and sorry if it's a bit long-winded, but I'd love it if you would please comment and subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I shall catch you in the next video. Bye!